Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title already, this is going to be my very first luxury unboxing, and I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. So I got this gift for my birthday, which was August 27th, and I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys. So let's get right into this unboxing. So the box that it came in is freaking huge, y'all. It's really big. But let's get right into it. Right on top, it comes with this card. So right on top, it comes with this card. This is just the receipt telling you that the purchase was made, blah blah blah. That's all that's in here is a receipt. Pull out this huge box. This is the box. So it did have this ribbon wrapped around the box, but of course I didn't get this gift on my birthday and not open it at all. So I have opened it and I could not figure out how to put this ribbon back on there and make it all pretty and everything. So you guys are seeing the box without the ribbon, but the ribbon does come on it. Anyway, we are going to open this box. It's just like a little magnetic closure box. So we're gonna open it. And inside of this huge box is a dust bag. So we're going to pull out our dust bag, which holds our purse. So this is the bag, y'all, that I got. It is the Neverfull MM in the Damier Ebene print. And it has the red inside, so the cherry interior. I ahead and got the red interior because I really did want the rose ballerine interior, the light pink, but this is a purchase that is a pretty penny and I want to keep this in good condition, and I also want to have this bag for a very long time. So me just knowing me, I wanted to go ahead and get the darker interior because I feel like I would be able to keep that cleaner longer. So I went ahead and got this Damier Ebene in the red interior. Well, my husband got it for me, but he already kind of knew that I wanted the red. So inside the purse, let's see, when you look inside, you get just like this red with the lining in it, and then it does says Louis Vuitton inside. You got a pocket, and then you just got a big opening. Like the Neverfull is famous for just being like a big open tote. You can put anything in it. It's Neverfull, hence the name. But anyway, inside the zip pouch in the front, like right here, there is nothing in there. It's just empty. And then also you get this pouchette, like this little small zip pouch. This is another reason I wanted to get the Neverfull for my first luxury purchase, because I'm just like a bang for my buck type of person. Like I really wanted to get this because I'm like, I could use this pouch here. I could use this as like a clutch, or I could use this as just like a wristlet if I don't want to carry my whole purse. So this is how this looks. It's just the same print, Damier Ebene, same print, and it's got the red interior as well. But inside of here, it has some stickers. So it just has like a few tags and stuff inside the bag. I'm not really sure what that is, so that's in there. Honestly, my choices was between this Neverfull MM or the Graceful MM, and the Graceful is a little bit more grown woman bag in my opinion. So I just went ahead and went with the Neverfull because I think that this is a good fit for me for my very first luxury bag. And again, like I said, y'all, I'm a bang for my buck type of girl. So the fact that I was going to be getting this pouch too, I was like, let me go ahead and just get the Neverfull. So anyways, let me show y'all how this looks. You could wear this as a wristlet if you wanted to, but it is a basically exact replica of the bag. It's just the same thing. Got a little zip pouch on it. It also has in here like a little slit pouch inside. So if you're looking at it from the inside, it's just like that, but it has like this slip pouch inside as well. So this was a plus for me by getting the Neverfull. I got 2 items for 1 in my opinion. So I really love this pouch or wallet wristlet. So this also comes in your bag. Now that the pouch set is out, literally the bag is just like one big giant hole. It's just a tote bag and it doesn't have any real structure to it, but I do have an idea to buy like the little dividers. They do make them like on eBay and some websites like Etsy, where you can buy literally like an insert for your Neverfull and it will like give you some dividers inside of your tote. So if you guys are interested in maybe checking out a what's in my bag on this purse, let me know, because I probably will be ordering that very soon and that will make good for like a what's in my bag video. So just let me know. But other things about the Neverfull, it has these little straps on the side where you can cinch it in. So bam, you can cinch in the sides if you needed to or wanted to, and you can make the bag like squarer and smaller. I prefer personally the tote style, so I don't think I would be cinching mine in. I would probably just be wearing mine like the regular tote style. So if you ever wanted to close your Neverfull, it does not come with a zipper on it, but it does come with this little hook where you can clip it together on the inside, and that'll kind of hold it closed. So yeah, y'all, this is the look of the purse, like as if I was holding it. It's really chic, really cute, like the perfect first time luxury bag. I knew I wanted to go with Louis Vuitton because this bag is just gonna forever be fly. Like I love it so much. But yeah, you guys, I am so excited to have this bag in my collection. This is a classic bag to have. I feel like it will look good 5-10 years from now, and I'm very excited to have my first luxury purse, my first luxury bag, and I am definitely going to be keeping this in good condition because you never know. These bags still sell. They hold their value really well. So you just never know. But I'm going to definitely keep that in good condition. And I love my husband so much for getting me that for my birthday. Like, he sees to amaze me every year. He usually do whatever he can to get me what I asked for. And this year, he exceeded my expectations by getting me this purse. So again, thank you so much to my husband for getting me this gift, because without him, I probably would have never bought this, y'all. I'm just be real. I'm just a little too tight with my money to be buying this type of bag. But anyway, I'm thankful and I'm happy. And if you guys would like to see that what's in my purse or what's in my bag video with featuring my Neverfull MM, just let me know. Comment down below. I will definitely be happy to get that to you guys quickly. So thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.